learned about Henry Bessemer and the Bessemer process of creating steel and how Andrew Carnegie used that steel to build the railroads, I want you to use the next slide in the blank space, type out, how do you think the growth of railroads went hand in hand with the growth of industry? So why was this so important, and how do you think this changed how America handled business? Before, we just stayed in a small area and we didn't move materials very quickly, and so it was hard to grow. So how do you think these railroads made changes?